Welcome back to Techno Yes. In this video, I am going to show you how you can remove things object from a photograph. We are going to try the example with you this image, and here you can see it. Okay, let's go a small brush. This brush you can adjust, and we're going to use we want to remove the gap. So like here, and we can see it's already eliminated. Let's go now a little symbol. Okay, we wait a few moments and we see that is being eliminated. In fact, we are told that the good part is that is a free version here to compare here, and you don't worry, this application is very secure and it's web. And thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more